Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating essentials and initiating the restore now. First, confirm the backup format so you pick the correct tool. This matters because images versus file archives restore differently. Next, plug the laptop into power and connect the backup drive. Make sure it shows in the OS or recovery environment. Finally, note which partition you will overwrite and collect login credentials. Once done, reboot into your recovery media or built-in restore utility to start the process immediately. You proceed by booting into recovery media and loading the backup tool. Do this from BIOS/UEFI boot menu if necessary. Once the tool runs, locate and verify the backup file, check timestamps and sizes, then select the correct target disk or partition. If you need an exact replica, choose sector by sector, otherwise use file-level restore to avoid wasted space. While restoring, monitor for errors, keep the laptop plugged in, and resist interrupting the operation, because mid-restore interruption can corrupt the image. You finish by rebooting into the restored system and performing final validation steps. Run a disk check, reinstall device drivers, and apply critical OS updates so performance and security are restored. If the system fails to boot, try startup repair or rebuild the boot configuration data. Use an alternate snapshot if available. Make sure to test apps and data integrity. If issues persist, connect the backup drive again and extract missing data. One key troubleshooting tip: maintain a verified secondary backup to recover if the primary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.